the Messerschmitt Me 262, the first operational jet fighter in human history.
The Me 262 faded into history, but it changed the skies forever.
In 1944, it soared, defying gravity and expectation alike.
Allied pilots called it a ghost.
Too fast. Too deadly.
Pilots felt unstoppable until the fuel ran out or the war caught up.
The Allies panicked. A new threat had entered the war. But even a ghost can't escape its own grave.
It wasn't just a fighter, it rained destruction from above, with speed no radar could catch.